Hello, it's Shinzlatuff here, and today I'm going to be doing my squishy collection. There's only going to be like 9 squishies, so this is just like a quick watch video. It might take a little while, but it won't take long. So, disclaimer for the noise, the lighting, and my hair. So let's get on to the squishy video. Oops, that was horrible. Okay. The first squishy is this like weird whipped cream puff thing. It has like green spots all over it, and it's kind of dense, and it's kind of still rising. And here's the back, and it comes with this little keychain onto it. So that is this, but it does have some defects in it. It's right there, like, it's a defect. Don't know if you guys can see that, and then there's like holes all over it. All over it. And so, yeah, next squishy. So, the next squishy we need to be doing is my, like, lemon thing. I don't know if it's actually a lemon, but it's like stress ball material, and it's really dense. It's really hard to squish. And it's kind of rising, but not that much. The bottom is brown, and the top is white. So that is that. Now, time for the next squishy. The next squishy is, I pretty like this one. And it's the Hello Kitty squishy. It's green, and it has a red bow, and the back has green tint. And it's really squishy and soft, and it's slow rising. I don't know if I said this before, but they all smell like coconut, so they smell pretty good. And then they have the little key thing. This is the back. So that is this. Next squishy. Next squishy is this little, like, duck penguin thing. And it's pink and adorable. It's really squishy and soft. And pink and cute. And it is pretty rising. And so that is that. Next squishy. It is a ice cream. I forgot the name for a second, but it's a ice cream. Stay in my hands. And it has sprinkles, hard sprinkles, and it's kind of dense. Keep on saying kinda, and it's still rising. Not really. It's not the slowest rising thing. And so next squishy. So next did I do this one? Yeah, I did. Get out of my life. So the next one is this mini panda bun. It is adorable, and it's really squishy and really rising in the back. Same thing, and that is that. Adorable. Adorable. I just remembered I did not do this one. So this is my little panda virus, and it is squishy, but not so rising. It bounces back like right after you squish it. But it's really cute, and it has a little holder thing for the string. And so now I'm going to give you my first favorite and my second favorite. And so this is the big panda bun. As you can tell, is bigger than the mini one, and It is really squishy. Oh my gosh, so squishy. It's so polarizing. That is that. But there is a defect in it. But I don't really care about the defects. As long as it's, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the paint is like ripping off. But they're still my favorite, and they have little holder string holder. And so my second favorite, last but not least, is this little Mickey face squishy. It does have a couple defects, and we'll get to that in a second. But it is adorable. It is really squishy and slow rising. And so the defects are, in the back, there's like, don't know if you can see that, but focus, please, focus. It's like there's a white spot right there, and it's like cut, and then there's like black spots in there, and then the worst is the bottom. There's like, it's coming apart, and then this is the face is fading away. I don't know if that's supposed to be fading away, but I don't know. Then it has like a little spot right there. I don't know if that's supposed to be there or not. And so I'm going to have to say goodbye. And I hope that you loved my squishy collection. And I'll see you next time. And bye.